I want to tell you real quickly, one of the things I'm most proud of Glenda for is the fact she always knew she was a student first. Her grades have proved it. She's taken AP classes, she's taken dual enrollment classes. She's had to study. At the same time, she had a passion for basketball. But she focused on being the student. Her grades could have taken her anywhere she wanted to go. Southwest is very lucky to have a student athlete like that coming to them. She wants to continue playing. She wants to get better. She wants to work at her game. But from the day I met Glenda, she always knew the thing that was going to, in the long run, make the difference was her academics. And you can tell that. You look at her grade point average, you look at the classes she's taking, and even this senior year, she didn't ease up on herself. She kept herself focused. And Glenda, that's what I'm most proud of you for. I'm so excited that you get to keep playing basketball. And I'm so excited that you get to go to Southwest. It's here. Your friends might even get to come see you if they get a chance. You know, we might not give them a break, but they do get to come see you. They get to see what the next level looks like. Coach Martre, I'm so glad for you because you have a true student athlete.
And that's
Okay, we're here with Glenda, Garner, Millington Lady Trojan now, Southwest Saluqis. I hope I said that right. But congratulations on your signing day. It's been a long road to get here. You picked up the ball in 8th grade, and now you're about to be a college basketball player. Did you see that happening 5 years ago?
5 years ago, honestly, I felt like I was ready to play on college level. I knew I could do better, but it's just a blessing that I'm here today.
A lot of people said you have got that. They said she could dribble the ball, she got a shot, she can play inside, outside, but you did work on your game. What was the hardest part that you had to grasp on basketball over the last few years?
Going left.
Yeah,
going left. That was my hardest part.
Now, Ms. Beth Hellier, assistant principal here, said in the classroom you took care of business. What made you keep that focus besides mom and dad?
I felt like if basketball didn't work out, I had a bag on for something to fall on. That's why.
Okay, now also coming here to Millington, your name, the Garner name is known from coaching to athletic. I think you had a certain brother who played football that did his thing, got the name out there. Was there any pressure living up to the name or the expectations set by him and others?
Honestly, I can say yes because everybody knew my brother as a bull. So I felt like I had to be on that level with him or be better.
Now, standing here today, do you think you've surpassed him?
Honestly, I think I have.
I know why I think he would agree with that because he was there at every game cheering you on and coaching you on too. But he still gets to watch you play. Was that part of your decision of going to Southwest being close home?
My decision of going to Southwest is just so I can get better. I felt like D1 schools for me, they just wanted to sit me on the bench instead of actually taking the time out and just coaching me as a player. And I felt like I didn't want to sit out. I wanted to keep on playing to get better.
Yeah, because you did have the grades and you did have the offer, but you made this choice on your own. So, do you think it's the best choice for Glenda?
I think it's a good choice for Glenda. It's a great choice for Glenda.
So I know you've done your research. Coach, she was here today. You like that program, like everything that she had into?
Yes.
Why is that?
I feel like they have time for me. It's not just a player that they can just get off the bench and just sub me. They have time. They need a player, so I'm there to be there for her.
Well, last question for you. In recent years, we've seen some success at the Lady Trojan program. Leticia McLaughlin, who was walking around these halls, went on to win national championship, Jazzy Newsom, all the things she's done. Tara Caldwell is reaching that. So you add your name to that list. How does it feel?
It feels like a weight has been lifted, to be honest, because I feel like just playing with them and seeing them play, it was the hardest. I always wanted to be just like them. And for me to be up there with them now, I feel like it's a blessing and it's something.
Well, congratulations, Glen, on going to Southwest.
Thank you.